Hello, my name is Operating Shar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today I will be going over shift schedules and goals within the Swift Sensors console. To find shift schedules and goals, both will be underneath the Analytics tab in the Swift Sensors console. First, we will have to create our shift schedule. This restaurant has two shifts, a morning shift and an evening shift. To create our shift schedule, we will click on this plus icon button. We would name our shift, and then select the two times for our shifts. The morning shift starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. Then we can add another shift, our evening shift. Which is from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. Once we've created our shifts, we will click on the measurements that these shifts apply to. Now that we have created a main schedule, we can run compliance reports. Compliance reports are most useful when a goal is in place. When creating a new goal, you can select the analytic type, give it a name, and give a description if needed. Once you have created your goal, you will select the measurements that you want applied. Once the goal is created, you can run the compliance report in the Swift Sensors console and then compare how each shift is doing in regards to keeping the equipment in compliance. For our shift average, we are above our goal of 95%, but we can see that some certain shifts on certain days were below our compliance goal. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.